Section 3. Antonyms. Number 13. He spoke in a murmur to avoid being overheard. Whisper, chant, shriek, voice. 14. The fantastic tale featured a magic carpet ride and a ghost-like creature. Wonderful, realistic, romantic, puzzling. Analogies. Read each analogy below. Choose the answer that best completes the analogy. 15. Regard is to look, as whereabouts is to whisper, series, location, gap. 16. Fugitive is to run away, as succession is to gap, always, series, include. 17. Involve is to abandon, as interval is to pause, continuation, cycle, connect. 18. Lull is to pause, as quarter is to series, whisper, constantly, area. Context clues. Read the passage, then answer the questions that follow. The police had to come to blank that the young man was guilty of the crime. They finally arrested him, but he escaped and became a blank. 19. Choose the answer that best fills both blanks in the passage. Appoint, dispenser, suspect, fugitive, abuse, miscreant, intimidate, interval. Which words or phrases from the passage best help the reader answer question number 19? Guilty, escaped, young, arrested, young man, became, police, finally.